Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Speedy John the mic. So nasi takuendera mberi manje ne this is the second video rhythm yedu takatanga chiza 2 strings now tapina mu 3 strings, which means chord ra 1 and 3 notes. Okay, so it's best kutanga padoko tichikwira. And if I to build a shape, we'll get there. It's not one as well. Second chord. With this shape, we get per 5. So per 4 and 5. This is a D major shape. If you know all your open chords. So now let's take this simple line and put a drum and then, groove a bit, because we need to encourage ourselves. Okay. So, we can even add to my melodies just now and there, It's something simple to manipa kutangira. So if you see on one, do patato to my melody chit up. So, from this simple tune, to build it, until tazadza rhythm ready. So now nangoisa to my sub nango tsindira ka bass bichana. You will see even on the bass hapana zvakawanda zvaitwa, just those simple notes. So let's groove. are still with me up until this far, I want to thank you. So kune awa vanongoda ma one-on-one direct, you can message me, WhatsApp me, or email me. Mugonibata pa number zonza ndoisa pa screen, toita basa. So see you in the third video where we add, the fourth string. Peace.